Welcome back. Now in the Caribbean this evening, we are seeing cloudy conditions across the central portions of the area because we have a trough system and a dying frontal system that is north of the area. We can see those clouds over the open waters with isolated thunderstorms just south of the Jamaica area. The trough is expected to linger through the area through to tomorrow, but we are expecting high pressure to begin dominating across the Western Caribbean as we move into Wednesday. Currently, we do have high pressure across sections of the eastern portion of the Caribbean basin. The forecast for tonight has partly cloudy skies across most of the island. We're expecting the temperatures to drop to about 24 degrees Celsius for both Kingston and Montego Bay. 5-knot winds on both coasts. Winds are out of the north on the south coast and from the east on the north coast. Now in the morning tomorrow, we're expecting partly cloudy conditions covering most of the island, while for the afternoon there are isolated showers expected mainly across inland areas. Temperatures 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 30 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now the breakdown has it partly cloudy and windy across most of the area tomorrow. Expect partly cloudy conditions from Morant Bay through to Mandeville, while in the southwest it's mostly cloudy in Santa Cruz, Black River and Savannah Lamar, but partly cloudy in Negril, Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. Expect partly cloudy conditions as well across inland areas. That's Brownstown through to Golden Spring. Isolated showers are expected mainly across Grange Hill and Duncans, but it's mostly cloudy in Cave Valley, Richmond and Moortown. Now, the next few days, isolated showers and thunderstorms are forecast for the afternoon on Wednesday, while on Thursday and Friday, this activity is expected mainly across inland areas on Thursday and Friday. Now, the marine forecast. On the north coast, tomorrow, winds east-northeasterly at 10 to 15 knots. Wave heights are 1 to 1.5 meters. On the south coast, the winds are east-northeasterly at 15 to 20 knots with the wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. While for offshore areas, easterlies are at 15 to 20 knots, wave heights between 1.5 and 2 meters. And on Wednesday, expect the winds from the east at 15 to 20 knots. The wind speeds are expected to drop down to 15 knots from the east-northeast on Thursday and Friday. The sunset in Kingston tomorrow is at 19 past 6 and at 25 past 6 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening, but we thank you so much for watching.